Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Chapel, and today we're gonna learn how to sew lining to your bag with zipper. We need our bag, of course, lining fabric, scissors, needle, thread, and zipper. Let's get started. To start, you need to fold your fabric in half. Then place the bottom of your bag on the bottom of your fabric. And from both sides, leave 1.5 or 2 centimeters. From both sides, 1 or 2 centimeters is enough, and about 1 or half of a centimeter from the upper part, and then cut it. And make sure you have enough fabric to sew later at the end. And then we're gonna cut it. And cut the upper part as well. I'm not really a professional at this, but I try to teach you what I've learned. You should have something like this. If your zipper is too long, first sew this side and then sew this side and then cut it. Cut the extra parts. If you don't do it first, it will come apart. Before sewing the zipper to the lining, I folded it into 2 layers and sewed it. You can do it with a sewing machine or with your hand. I did it with my hands and sewed 2 parts of the upper part. Then do the same thing to the sides. Fold it into 2 layers like this, 1 and 2 layers like this, and then sew both sides. And then we're gonna sew the zipper to it. As you can see, I sewed all sides like this, and then place your fabric right side facing down, and right side should be facing you. Bring your zipper, place it right side facing down and wrong side facing you. Then put this fabric, your lining, on top of it like this. But wrong side of both should be facing you. I sewed this part together. Now we should sew the other part. Turn it right side facing you, then turn it back, turn your zipper right side facing down, and then fold your lining, and be careful that the sides should be straight. Place the other side of the lining on the other side of the zipper and sew it. It looks something like this. Now you should sew the sides together. Sew this part together, these 2 parts together, until you reach right here under your zipper, and also the other side of it until here, and I'll be back when I finish. I sewed both sides. It looks something like this. Let me open the zipper. As you can see, this is the inside, and this is where you should put inside the bag. Bring your bag and put your fabric, your lining actually, inside your bag. Place and fix your zipper inside your bag, and you can fix it with pins or clips or whatever you have. You should fix it first and then start sewing it. And we hide those two ends inside the bag, right and left side of the bag. Fix both sides with whatever you have and then start sewing it. Now let's sew the lining to the bag. Bring your thread and needle and start sewing it. And don't forget that it shouldn't be visible from the outside of the bag. Okay, just be careful about it. As you can see, it's really easy. Insert your needle from the inside of your bag and be careful not to be visible from the outside. Make a knot, and then we'll hide this knot inside the bag, at the back of the lining actually. I make 2 knots to make sure it's secure enough. And then sew the downside of the zipper to the inside of your bag, like this. Downside of the zipper is where we've sewed the zipper to the lining, right here as you can see, and start sewing both sides together as you can see in the video. and do it for both sides. I sewed both sides of the lining to the zipper, and as you can see, place the sides into the right and left side of your bag like this, and you will have something like this. Hope you'll make it and enjoy making it. If you don't want to miss future tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. Write your comments down below and see you in next tutorials.